What's up, guys? How are y'all doing today on this beautiful, beautiful day? I know I'm doing great. I have a sweet video for y'all today. So if y'all have kept up with my channel, y'all have seen my E92 coupe by now, and I love it. I've done a lot of nice, tasteful modifications on the outside and a few on the inside, but today is going to be way different. So just to give y'all a little bit of background, my E92 had a gray interior just before a couple days ago. These right here are the old seats that I had in. Originally I had a gray interior. This was the passenger side seat and this was the driver's seat. I did a complete interior swap. Y'all can see they're super worn out and faded. Honestly, I didn't even really notice when they're in the vehicle, as opposed to right now when they're actually taken out. Now I can see they really were really faded and worn out. For the longest time, I did not like the gray interior. I did everything I could to spice it up. I carbon fiber wrapped all my wood trims, and it did make it look a lot more modern. I switched to the white LED lights on the inside. That way it wouldn't have that nasty yellowish tint, and it spiced it up a little, but honestly guys, I just did not like it. The gray interior wears out super quick. You see all the little stretch marks, all the little scratches on it. You notice all of that. So the main caveat was that I did not have the power seats from the factory. Whoever got it from the factory decided to just go with the regular platform manual seats. I don't know why, but they decided to. And I really wanted the sport seats in mind, just because you get the adjustable bolsters, you get the adjustable thigh support. All around, it holds phenomenally, especially when you're going through corners and you're doing tight turns. With the regular platform seats, you kind of get thrown around. And to get the sport seats, they all come in a power option. And the reason why that sucks, you gotta wire them in and do all that stuff. So basically what I was looking for is black manual sport seats with an all black interior. And the manual sport seats are pretty rare. I'm not gonna say like they're collectible rare, but they're pretty rare because most people get power seats from the factory, they pay the extra. If you don't have the money to do that from the factory, I don't know why you'd buy a BMW, but you'd get the regular manual seats. With that being said, they're really rare and really hard to find. But after months and months of looking on Craigslist and looking everywhere, I finally found an interior, all black, everything, great, phenomenal condition with black manual sport seats. The guy wanted like 650 bucks for it, but that wasn't happening. You kind of got to work with people on Craigslist and haggle them down a bit. I mean, you don't want to get ripped off. Who pays full price for anything, you know? So I got him down from 650 to 400 bucks. He swung by my place. He dropped everything off after I checked it out. Everything was in phenomenal condition, just like he said. I had the weekend off, and so I had at it. I really wish I took a full before video, but sadly I didn't. I have all the parts still sitting back at my place. I have all the panels, seats, everything. Probably just sell it all individually. Like I said, I only spent 400 bucks on an entire interior. Without further ado, y'all are about to see my interior. I hope y'all are ready. Here we go. And bam. There it is, boys. And y'all can see that the seats are in phenomenal condition. This is literally the only imperfection on the entire interior. This little crack right here, but this little unit right here is replaceable. So I'll be replacing that. But y'all can see phenomenal condition. These handles, if you own any BMW E90, E92 or E93, these handles will always start to do this on the back. It's like a rubber material, super easy to replace. You just get a plastic pry tool, you pop this off. I can probably pop it off with my finger. 1, 2 screws, comes off. Super easy. But y'all can see this is the passenger seat. And guys, it is beautiful. Not a single blemish. Everything works. The adjustable thigh support works. Locks into place. Has a whole bunch of different variations. All of your adjustments works. The seat can go up, down, back, right. Same exact thing as a power seat. Does everything a power seat can do. Only difference is there's no motor for it. And I actually prefer these. Just to show y'all, it is beautiful condition. Guys, I got the seats, the consoles, the entire dashboard, all of the door panels with the speakers and everything. All of these little miscellaneous trims right here. 400 bucks, guys, 400. do a swap. If the interior is the only thing left on your car that you don't like if your car is fully modded out and you have everything done to it, but the interior is just lacking, find one being parted out on Craigslist, 5 miles, any of those sites. Do an interior swap. Get your old interior, sell all the little seats and everything like that on eBay, Craigslist, 5 miles. Do that, make your money back, and you're good to go. But that's just to show you guys, I got everything on the vehicle. Every single piece in the interior, everything associated, all the trims for 400 bucks. Those seats alone easily sell for $500-600 online. But that's basically it for today's video. I wanted to do a DIY for y'all on all the different panels I replaced, but guys, it was just gonna take way too long. It took me 13 hours straight to do the interior, another 6-ish hours taking my time to do the dashboard, and honestly, it was just going to take way too much time. I didn't have a tripod for me to record, so I'm sorry if y'all were looking for a DIY video. This isn't it, but this just show y'all the reality of it. Do a swap, man. I went from my gray interior that was boring, made me not value the car as much, to the sweet interior that I freaking love. As always, I love you guys. Thank y'all for the support. Drop a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment down below if y'all have any questions at all, or even if you need help replacing an interior component on the E92. Drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond back to y'all. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more content to come. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.